Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about what type of brands that I think fits my needs, especially if I want to keep my hair up for like 4 weeks or 2 weeks, or it doesn't really matter how long I want to keep my hair up. But I'm going to be talking all about which type of hair that I think that I love the most, especially out of the Milky Way, the bump collection, the Tyra hair, all of that type of good stuff that I want to talk to you guys about, because most of you guys have been blowing me up. Like, what type of hair do you think that is right? Like, what type of hair you think that's you like? You know, stuff like that. So I'm going to be talking all about that type of stuff. So if you guys want to keep on watching, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. That let me know that you guys want to see more of these videos. And yeah, now with the Empire Sensational Hair, I like that brand. I do have a video on that, so I'm gonna link it right here while I'm talking to you guys. But with the texture on that hair is super duper soft, and I actually love the texture on it. I feel like when I'm working with that, it's really is thick, and I absolutely love the brand and the texture on that hair. Now, it is a little shedding going on, of course, but I can say, like, along the line, when it get old, if I keep it up for 3 weeks or something like that, I kind of just feel like it tends to get dry and stiff. And with the dye-in, because as you guys know, I did go in and dye this Empire Sensational Hair, and it was shedding. It was hard to like wave my hands in it, and also it was like very, very stiff. If I did not already say that, it was stiff. When I comb it, it was like a non-good texture, and I didn't like that. I did go in and wash it, and when I washed it, it was like coming between like a synthetic, and I did not like that. But of course, next up is the bump collection, and I can say with the bump collection, I did go in and get that in a 1B, so I can say that I really love the texture on that hair. But it tends to get old because I always keep my hair up for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks if I feel like I'm ready to take it out, or if I want to wear it over. If you're going in and putting this hair in your hair, it's going to be fresh, no itching in the back. But like later along the line, it's going to itch, and I did not like that, especially with wearing 2 caps. I still did not like it. Very, very aggravating. But I actually liked it when I first put it in, but later on the line, it was time to take it out. Now with the next one was the Milky Way hair, and guys, I really, really love Milky Way hair. That's my favorite. I always wear that in all my videos. Actually love that hair. Super duper soft, silky. You get what you pay for on this hair. Now, it is $13.99, so you can't knock that. But it kind of feel like it's human hair. So I actually like the Milky Way hair. I feel like when I'm working with this hair, it gives it a style to it, and I can keep it up for like almost 4 weeks. I do have like this hair in one of my boxes, and I still had that hair for like a year. It did not rag up, or it didn't get stiff on me. Like, I can still go in and flat iron it. I can wash it, and it still gives me that texture on my hair. So that's what I like about Milky Way hair. I kind of just feel like I did go in and dye this Milky Way hair before, and I think I dyed it like a dark brown or something like that, because I wanted it to be like a tint in my hair. Like, you know what I'm talking about. But I didn't put that video out. But I can say that I really, really love this hair because it got the job done, and it dyed it quick and fast for me. and it's human hair, so they give you what you ask for. So I really like that hair, and that's what hair I use, especially with the cutting and everything. It just cuts super duper smooth, and I actually love this hair, especially with the brand. Next, moving on, we're gonna go with the Tyra Velvet Remy hair. Guys, you guys know me by now. I really love Tyra hair because of the texture. I mean, I know a lot of people like texture hair, but they give you what you ask for. Especially, it's like $29.99. So you cannot, well, if you get the big box, it's $29.99, but they have smaller boxes too. But I like to get what I'm worth. So I would get like the 246, and that's one of the big boxes that I would get, and I can say that I love it. Now with the cutting and everything, it cuts very smooth, and I actually like this. Sorry, I'm looking at my paper, but you get what you ask for. When you cut it, it's super duper smooth. I do keep this up for like 4 weeks, and then I take it out. And if I want to wear it again, I can, because it's worth it. Like, I can say that. As you guys know, I did put up a video on this Tyra hair, and I did wear it again. So, and I still got it. I don't have any problems with it. No itching. Like, but I do put a dome cap on my hair with all my wigs. So if I do want to take it off, I don't have any problems with, like, you know, the itching and stuff. So you guys can choose whether you want to take it off or put it on or keep it on overnight. But me, I like to just take my hair out because I like to sleep comfortable, because that's just me. But with this, I really love this hair. I kind of just feel like you can dye this hair, but I choose not to dye that because I like the natural type of look it gives me. But I like to go in and get the 1B. Most people love the number 1 or the number 2 because it makes it look like it's natural. But I kind of just feel like the 1B is super duper natural to me. So that's just what I think. And it kind of just feel like Remy hair. Like when you get some real hair, it kind of just feel like it's Remy. Like it kind of just feel like it's human hair. But I noticed that they put like mixtures of, you know, the hair into the 27 pieces. So, but it still kind of feel like it's human hair. But I like the Milky Way and the Tyra hair. And I like the bun. I like all of them. Like, to be honest, I'm gonna wear all of them because 27 pieces are my favorite. So I will wear like all of them if I just want to switch it up. And then the Ultra Indian hair. Now I wore this hair one time and I kind of just feel like I didn't like it because it was very stiff when I took it out the pack, and it wasn't giving me what I was asking for, what I was thinking of. Like, I was like, I'll wear this one time and then I'm just gonna take it out because I did not like the texture of the hair, and it was giving me a lot of itching in the back. So especially like if you're cutting your hair and you're trying to give it that layer in the back, and you tend to like get the itching and stuff in the back. That's what this hair was giving me. It was giving me itching, and I was like, I don't like it. So I did keep this up for like probably like 3 days or something, and then I took it out because I did not like it. And especially I could not curl this hair how I wanted to, so I was just like, you know, it's time to take it out. And I did put a video up on this hair, and I will link all of the videos that I got all of these hair styles on. And yeah, so someone asked me which of these 27 pieces that I will wear the most, and I kind of just feel like I will wear the Milky Way, the Tyra Remy hair, and I would probably wear the Empire. And I like the Bump Sensational. I like the Bump collection too. But yeah, those 3 I would probably. So the Bump collection, the Milky Way, and the Tyra hair. Them are the three I probably think that I would probably rock with, because that's my style, and I kind of just feel like once I whack my hands in it, it'll give me that, you know, the type of style that I'm looking for. With the sensation, I mean, with the Empire hair, it wasn't giving it, like, it was not giving it what I was asking for. But I mean, when you first put it in, you kind of just feel it, but then later on down the line, like, give it like a week or something, you would be like, where's my curls? Like, where's the quality that I'm looking for? Empire Sensational was not giving me that, and the Ultra Indian hair was not giving me that. So I was just like, I'm gonna stay away from those. So Bump Collection, Tyra hair, and Milky Way, I would recommend to the community that I like it. Like, I like those type of, you know, brands. Yeah, I like my nails. Did them today, but that's all that I have for you guys, because you guys were blowing me up, and I was like, okay, well, let me just do a video on which type of hair that I think that I will wear, especially on a daily basis. And I kind of just feel like that's what I wear. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. What type of hair do you think that fits your needs, especially on a daily basis? If you like, you know, working with the Milky Way, Sensational, whatever brand that you think fits your needs, comment it down below. I will be sure to chit chat down below with you guys. Let's chat it up. Which one you think that is best, that fits your needs? Because me, I like to rock my hairstyles for a while and not take them out. So yeah, which one fits your needs? Comment down below. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. This hairstyle that I have in my hair, this is the Milky Way hair, and as you guys know, I always wear Milky Way. Always. Like, it's not gonna be a time where I get dull over Milky Way hair. I think every time I go into the beauty supply, everybody started taking them because they see my video and they be like, okay, well, let me go get the Milky Way hair, or let me go get the Tyra hair, and I don't ever see them. So I have to get as early as possible, because I kind of just feel like it's a lot of people that love 27 pieces and I don't ever see them. What is going on? They need to start racking up on, you know, 27 pieces, because I don't see them every time I go to the beauty supply. Rack up. I'll see you guys back in another video.